Hello friends, this is your Sumit Arora, Assistant Professor, Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy. Welcome you all in this video, how to reduce plagiarism. First of all, I would like to thank everyone because of your likes to my previous video, how to check plagiarism. Today we will discuss how to reduce plagiarism. Lots of videos are there on the YouTube claiming and providing tricks to remove the 100% of plagiarism. I had gone through various video. One of the video claiming that it is very easy, providing 100% tricks to remove the plagiarism. He is using the space between two words, put I, and later on replace that I with white space, so that the two words combine into a single word, and in this way you can remove the plagiarism. So I strongly recommend you don't follow this step at all. This is a fake step. In this way you can remove the plagiarism, but once you got identified that you are doing plagiarism by this way, you are straight away defaulted or rejected from the journal list or from the academic career also. So today I am going to tell you how to reduce the plagiarism by official way. There are three ways to reduce plagiarism. First is MS Word modification or using synonym. Second is changing the order of the words, and third is paraphrasing tools. Let us do it by one example. In our last video, we have copied this paragraph from PubMed site, that is Chenopodium album paragraph. Again, I am going to check the plagiarism content of this by using the software called as Plagiarism Checker X. By putting our paragraph here, by pasting our paragraph here, you can check the plagiarism. As I have informed you this in my last video, this is 100% plagiarized. Now you have to reduce the plagiarism content. I have copied this paragraph here. You can reduce the plagiarism content by three ways. First, by changing the order of the words, or by MS modification, that is by providing synonyms, and third, by using paraphrasing tools that I will tell you later. So here you can see the Chenopodium album. Chenopodiaceae is an annual herb shrub widely grown in Asia, Africa, Europe and North America. So what you have to do, you have to provide the synonym. At the same time you have to change the order of the words. I have tried for you. Please go through this. Since Chenopodium album, here it is written Chenopodium album, family Chenopodiaceae is an annual shrub widely grown in Asia, Africa, Europe and North America. What I have done, Chenopodium album, kept as Chenopodium album album, family, we have right here, belongs to family, we have inserted two different words. Chenopodiaceae is annual. I have provided the synonym of annual is yearly shrub. Widely is now replaced with extensively. Grown in, I have changed the order, Asia, Africa, Europe and North America. Here I have written Europe, North America, Asia and Africa. Similarly, I have changed the order of the words, and in the first line I have provided the synonym. The annual is replaced with yearly, widely is replaced with extensively. These synonyms are suggested by the word file only. Go to synonym, you will have the options. You can select any of the option and write that option. In this way you can remove the word which is plagiarized initially. We will see the result of this change paragraph. Later on we have changed, it is commonly called as, here it is known as. I have replaced known by called. You can change it referred as also. Pigweed, fat hen, lamb cutter. I have changed the sequence again, lamb cutters or fat hen. Similarly, Chenopodium album leaves. Here it is leaves of Chenopodium album. I have changed the sequence. The Chenopodium album leaves are used for against bug bites, sunstroke, rheumatic joints and mild laxative. Again I have changed the order. Initially here we have written bug bites, mild laxative in rheumatic joints and applied as a poultice. Similarly, in the fourth line, the flavonoid contained in Chenopodium album aerial parts were extracted. Here we have written the flavonoids from Chenopodium album aerial parts. The content or present, they are both same things. What you have to do, you have to change the sequence or you have to change the order of the words, where isolated, identified and characterized. The extracted word is replaced with isolated. Since the flavonoid can be a single moiety, so you can use isolated word in place of extracted. Next, sequential Soxhlet extraction was subjected to preliminary phytochemical screening. Here, we can't provide the synonym of sequential, Soxhlet extraction and preliminary because they are the words which can't be replaced and synonyms are available. So we have changed the complete sentence by primary phytochemical evaluation and flavonoid quantification was undertaken after sequential extraction. What you have to do, you have to rearrange the words and reconstruct your own sentence wherever it is very difficult to provide the synonym. Similarly, the result showed. Here I have written the result revealed. The showed can be replaced with revealed. That maximum, the maximum word replaced with utmost yield of flavonoid. So in this way you can provide the synonym. This synonym is given by MS Word only. So in this way you can replace the word. Remember that the meaning of the sentence should not be changed after providing the synonym. Later here characterization of the isolated flavonoid was done. Similarly, the last line will remain same. The characterization, we can't replace the word because in sequence it is required UV, IR, 1H, 13C, NMR and mass. So let us check the plagiarism content of this. After changing and providing the synonym, I am copying it and I am pasting it in our software. Here, go for analyze it and let us see the result. Now you can see the result. It is 38, 31, 29 and 41. Out of 100%, we have considerably reduced the plagiarism content. Let's go to the result. Now it is only 30% plagiarized. Earlier it was 100% plagiarized. Now it is 70% unique simply by providing the synonym and changing the order of the words. So in this way, in this method or by utilizing this method, you can change the plagiarism or reduce the plagiarism rather than going for removing the plagiarisms. So these are the easiest tricks to reduce the plagiarism. Since we have copied 100% and we have reduced the plagiarism by 70%, means 70% of the uniqueness and 30%. But when you start writing, you will definitely have only 15% of the plagiarized content, and you can easily remove that plagiarized content within the accepted limit of the any journal. Please use this method. Don't go for shortcut methods, I request you. And next is paraphrasing tools. These are the tools which are available online. For example, the online tools are available which helps you to rewrite the entire paragraph. They are also nothing but the suggesting the synonyms, but their synonyms are not accepted technically because we can't replace the word which we are using for articles. For example, if I will click this, copy your content, copy your previous content which you need to check for plagiarism. Here, after copying this, go for after verifying it, go. Let's hope we got the result here. So we have pasted this. It is annual shrub. Again the annual is replaced by yearly. Then the developed bush, yearly bush. We can't use annual shrub for yearly bush. Only 2 or 3 words can be changed or which can be used by using paraphrasing tool. Lots of paraphrasing tools are available online. So in this way they will also suggest you the synonym of these words, but we can't rely much on it because there are technical some words we can't replace and provide the synonym of them. Similarly, I have prepared one slide for all of you which will help you to remove the plagiarism by providing the linking words of the English. This is the best slide. You can take the screenshot of this slide. We are often used while writing a review article or manuscript or any essay. We are always using as a result. So if the as a result word is plagiarized, then you can replace as a result word with consequence, thus, so, therefore, it follows that, eventually. So these are the words which can be used if the content is plagiarized or if the word as a result is plagiarized. Similarly, for addition, you always write addition to this. So rather writing addition to this, you can use in addition. Similarly, likewise, beside, furthermore, moreover, you can use moreover and furthermore writing when you are comparing two extract or when you are providing the condition which is previously mentioned. Similarly, contrast when we are comparing the results of two things in contrast to. So you can write however. Suppose this extract shows the presence of so and so, however the other extract shows the presence of, or on the other hand, despite, in spite of, although. These are the words that can be used in place of contrast. Similarly, the linking words for reasons, if you are providing the reasons, since, because, due to, owing to, you can use owing to. In other words, it leads to the. So these are the words that can be used in place of reasons. These are the linking words of English. Certainly can be used in place of obviously, or certainly can be replaced with obviously, of course, undoubtedly, since the flavonoids are responsible for the antioxidant activity. So certainly, if you got the same results, you can write certainly or obviously. It is reported earlier that the flavonoids are responsible for the antioxidant activity. So you can use obviously, certainly, of course, undoubtedly. This can be used in this way. Similarly, the sequence. If you are preparing your manuscript, that sequence. Similarly, we have seen in Pseudopodium album, sequential successive extraction followed by preliminary phytochemical screening. So you can write, firstly we have done the extraction, initially we have done the extraction in the first page, to begin with the extraction, secondly, earlier, previously. These are the words when you are writing a sequence. So this slide will definitely help you to reduce the plagiarism. This is the first time I am providing this slide. This will definitely help you to use the words which are linking in nature, and it will definitely help you to reduce the plagiarism. So in this way, this is the short video I am preparing for all of you. This is the best way I am suggesting you. Rather than going for shortcut, you can use paraphrasing tools, or you can use the synonym, or you can use the rearrangement of the words. By changing the order of the words, you can reduce the plagiarism. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. For any queries, please contact me on my email address and my phone number. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Thank you.